Good morning, welcome back to Sebring International Raceway and Powered by 8 Racing YouTube channel. We are here today with PDG, Performance Driving Group. And we are here right before NASA, and if you saw the other video, it's because we are going to test the new settings, not settings, but new weight of the car and the new shift lever before our event with NASA tomorrow, which is the last event of the season. Not everybody's here yet though. I'm here. We got my buddy Elliot in his BRZ. We got Brian Boyd in the background there. You see Cecil just came out of the RV, and they've got their 2 spec Corvettes, but I don't know if they're running today. They're gonna wait till tomorrow. And yeah, that's where we are. I'm gonna get my tent in the air, and then I don't know if there's a driver's meeting, but normally there's not, so I will probably see you on the track.
Powered by 8.
Alright, so this came out. That's what I was holding on to the whole time. So I just got to get that in. Red Loctite on it, so I don't know. Well, I think that's just color. Anyways, we'll get that put back in and get ready for the next session.
Well, that's a quick weekend for Brian. He lost his motor, so it looks like it's pretty bad. Oil's coming out everywhere, so he's probably got a hole in the block. For me though, the session was good, but as you saw, my shift knob bolt backed out, so I had to come off the track. I was trying to get it on there. I don't know if you can see it. We'll check later, but I was trying to get it back in. By the time I did another lap, it came out, and that was it. I couldn't do anything else about it, so we came in, got it fixed, Loctited it this time. Didn't realize it was loose. I didn't even know there was a screw there. I thought it was a screw-on style knob, but hey, now we know. That's why we test.
can hear me. You saw that session. That was a really good session. A lot of fun. Obviously there was a lot of traffic, so we didn't get to like do any like real hot laps or anything like that, but I should have enough data to get some good rolling laps in there. But yeah, that was a fun session. I'm gonna get some gas in the car and let some air out. This next session I'm gonna probably come in, check some tire temps and stuff, make sure the alignment's good, and go back out after a hot pit. And I might even have a passenger. I know Frank wants to get in with me. So anyways, we will see you on the track. Alright, so real quick recap on that session. Like you saw, this is HPD, so I can't get mad about guys being in my way, but that was a good session. That was fun, playing with traffic. I had a passenger, so there was another 200 pounds in the car, and we still ran very, very quickly. So yeah, car felt really good. Still gave me an opportunity to work on my brake zones and my entry speed into turn 1, which is what I'm really trying to focus on because I always seem to overslow in turn 1. But anyways, that was a good session. AC went out again. Thought I had it fixed. I got another spare part. I'm gonna swap it in, but I mean, doesn't seem like it's gonna last very long, does it? So I'll swap that out and cool it off in here. It's a cool day today anyways. But anyways, I am going to get some things settled and I'll see you guys back on the track for the next session. that's a wrap for me. Good time. Some fun. Shifter's working great, so I don't have to worry about that, hopefully, ever again. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed watching the laps. And tomorrow we are back to competing for the last NASA event of the season. And that'll be it. So thanks for watching. We will see you next time.
Powered by the old show.